Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash unstuffing and then I'm going to do a little cash condensing from my envelopes. I have only 3 things I need to unstuff for. I was actually pretty good this week and didn't really shop too much with my card. So I have 3 things that I need to pull out and take back to the bank, and I'm going to do that first, and then after that I will do a little condensing because I always like to do that before I take money back to the bank. So the first one I'm going to do is the coffee one. So coffee, I always have it here in my envelope. This is my like weekly spending envelopes in my wallet. So I already pulled the money. Like I have $10 left. That's one reload for me on my app, and I put the money in here. I just collect it, and when I reload my app, then I put it in here and take it back to the bank. I like to just physically take this stuff back to the bank and get new money and just kind of go like that. So I'm just gonna take this back to the bank, but I need $30. I wrote it down over here, $30. So I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, $30 left that I'm going to be taking back to the bank. And this is actually good because it'll give me some change to work with to condense and make change and all that. All right, so I'm gonna just check this little box, and then I also like to do a little highlight. That one is done. All right, and then next I have eating out, which is here. I don't think I've gone to eat out. Well, I haven't spent any money aside from this. So I went to Chipotle, so I spent $16, so I can give myself back 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and put this 20 over here. Okay, so I'm left with $14 from my $30 budget of eating out for the week. This will go back in here. All right, so that one's done. And then my last one is I bought a new phone case, so I need to go into electronics, which is in here. So I got a new phone case. I actually needed a new phone case for my phone, but then I decided I was going to buy a new phone, so I didn't want to buy a new phone case for the phone I currently have if I'm going to buy a new phone, right? So I got the new iPhone. I was going to pay for that completely, like pay it off, but they actually have a really good like trade-in deal. So I did that, I'm trading in my phone, so I could get like $1,000 off of that new iPhone, and then it only adds like $10 to my monthly payment, which is pretty good. So I'm going that route, and I need to pay first though for my new phone. I want to make sure, or new phone case, because I want to make sure I have a phone case for when I get my phone, because I definitely don't want to use my phone without a phone case because I'm very clumsy and that'll be bad. So I have $120 here, so I need $79. I like to get Casetify cases if you are looking for like a good case. I definitely recommend Casetify. They're very expensive, but they're definitely worth it because I drop my phone a lot sometimes, and I've never had any issues, like never had it cracked, nothing, no issues. So I definitely recommend their cases because they do pretty good on keeping your phone safe. And like compared to my coworker, she has the same phone as that I do, and she drops her phone too a lot, and hers is very, very cracked. Like it's really bad. Even her photos are super blurry. I don't know what's going on with her phone, but it's because she drops too much and she doesn't get a good case in my opinion. So that's why I definitely am good with paying this amount, because it keeps my phone a little bit safer. So yeah, $79. Thankfully they have free shipping right now, so I don't have to pay for that. But I'm gonna give myself back $21 from over here, because I have 250s. So I got 21, and then that leaves me with $41 from here. And I'm just gonna update my tracker. Minus 79. I'm just gonna make sure that my math is right. Yeah, 41. All right, so then that's it. That's all my unstuffing for the week. Very, very easy unstuffing. Had no issues, thankfully, so that's good. All right, I'm gonna cross that out. And then I need to figure out the total, how much is over here. So I need to add that up. Move things over just a little bit. Okay, so let me get my calculator. So I have 30, 79 and 16, which is 125. All right, so I'm taking 125 back to the bank. And I'm just gonna double check. So I have 100, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect, 125. All right, so I really don't have a lot to condense with. Mainly it's just these 50s that I wanna try to keep within here to see if I could keep it in this system. But yeah, I like to at least try to see if it can stay rather than just take it back to the bank. So let's see what I got here. The 50s. Okay, I can't do anything there. So yeah, I might not be able to condense very much, but I feel like I'll be able to do something. Okay, that one's good. Emergency maybe? No, that's 23. Extra to savings. I really don't want to save it in there. Okay, furniture has 98. Nope. This is gonna be a very short video. Rainy day, no. Road trip has 45, so that one looks good. Scentsy has 38. I think that one's good. Subscriptions maybe. Okay, I could do, nope, can't do anything there. Almost though, for that one. Okay, that one's good. Oh geez, I might not be able to keep these. Let's see, and actually I'm gonna go into this one next. This one has some higher amounts in here. All right, Go Wild probably. I feel like Go Wild is a good one. All right, so I already have 500 in the bank. Oh no, can't do anything there either. So that one's good. Which one is gonna be the winner? I'm gonna leave that one alone, Disney, because I don't really need larger bills in there. Fun. Actually, let me do Christmas. Nope. Treat yourself. Maybe treat yourself. Nope. Okay. Looks like I cannot condense anything apparently. Hobbies, no. I'm gonna do fun. 20, 30. Actually, I kind of want to keep this because I'm about to go use this soon, so I kind of want to leave that. All right, let me check savings. Maybe in savings. Okay, I could definitely put it here. I'll just put it here. All right, so I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's 60. And then here, I can condense a little bit. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I can do 4 10s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40, yeah. 40. This one I think is probably good. Okay, this one. Maybe this one. So 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So let's do a 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that one looks good. 20, 30, 40. Okay, that one's good. I'm just trying to get that 50 somewhere in here. Ooh, I think I can condense these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I'm gonna do a 10 here and then maybe a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that one is good. these all look good. All right, so let's go into the last binder that I can possibly condense, which I don't think, oh, I have some in my wallet too, so let's see. This one has 39. I think that one's fine. Clothing has 72. I'm actually still saving with this one, so I'm gonna do the 50 over here. Okay, and then I can do a 10 here. Okay, so that one helped a little bit. So that's 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 72 in clothing. Oh, and I have some 20s. Content's good, Costco's good, family maybe. No. Okay, and then I have some in my wallet that I can possibly condense. It's gonna be a very, very short video. Okay, not these, but, ooh, holiday decor. Let's see what I have in here. Oh yeah, because I've been spending from this one, so it's a little bit of a mess. All right, so I could do a 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that one is good now. Gifts has 40. I could do a 10 maybe. Oh no, a 20, sorry. 20. So that's 40. Home has 10, so that one, actually there are 2 5s. No, it's 10. Household has 19, so that one's probably good. And then Target is good. Okay. Oh, actually, sorry. Number 10. Sometimes I accidentally leave money in there. Don't realize it. Okay, so at least I have 26 now in Target. All right, I think that's pretty good. That's as much as I'm able to do. But I always like to try to at least keep those 50s in rotation in here before I actually have to take them back to the bank. Okay, cool. So now let me see if, make sure I have 125 over here, and then I'll be done. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. I've got a bunch of ones. 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Perfect. So I have 125, which is going to just go back to the bank. It's going into my checking account. But that is it. Thank you for watching this very short, small cash unstuffing and condensing. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.